Yo, just wanted to make another video, or another quick video I should say, on this mini split system that I just installed. This was the absolute cheapest mini split that I could find on Amazon Canada. It came out to around $600 taxes for the whole system, and that included the whole outdoor, the indoor, and all the lines and the wires that you needed to connect it all. So it was a pretty good deal. We've been in this house for the last 9 years now. We've been using the good old window air conditioners, and as you guys know, the summers have been changing here lately. Good singing. And it's just getting ridiculously hot out here now, and those window ACs are just not able to cut it anymore. So I picked this up, like I said, $600 all included. I did have to buy some of the covers, the waterproof wiring waterproofing, the disconnect box, just to bring it up to code. But overall, it was a super easy install. I was a little nervous about it at the beginning. I did have a friend who is an HVAC tech help me out and answer all my questions, so I truly appreciate that. You know who you are. But overall, man, very simple install. This is the outdoor unit here. This is at max speed, and it is super quiet. When we had the window AC in that window there running, and you were out here on the deck, you couldn't even have a conversation. Now you can hardly even hear this thing going. But this is just a 120 volt system, so I was able to use a dedicated 15 amp into the disconnect down there. It only uses, I think, 11 amps total. And this was a quote-unquote pre-charged system. And when you read pre-charged, a lot of people who aren't maybe who haven't done the research on it might think, oh, it's pre-charged, plug and play type thing, right? These pre-charged systems just mean it's pre-charged in the outdoor system. So this whole system here has enough refrigeration in it that once you've done your whole connect, once you've done your vacuuming on the lines and you've opened that those valves for the first time, it has enough refrigerant in this outdoor system to fill 25 feet of line. This system did come with only 13 feet. So when it means pre-charge, it just means that you don't have to get an HVAC tech in here to add your refrigerant to it. It comes with it in the system. There are other pre-charged systems out there that are also, they're pre-charged in the outdoor, they're pre-charged in the indoor head, and all the lines are pre-charged, which means you don't have to vacuum those ones. So this one you still have to vacuum. So I did have to use the vacuum pump and all that. But again, this is more or less just a visual for anybody who is interested in installing one of these. This is what I did. It does have to be 3 feet away from your vent for your natural gas. That is 3 feet away. It's over 5 feet to get to the electrical panel. And then you just run all of your copper refrigeration lines and your electrical in a nice channel. And again, I had to buy that extra just to make it look nice. If you didn't have all of those covers, you're pretty much just wrapping it in this UV tape. And I just thought that looked better. But this is the outside. It's looking good. I will be removing this gazebo so it's not completely shading it off. But so far, it's been running very well. We've had it running for about 5 days now, and I don't think the house has ever been as this comfortable. I'll go inside and I'll show you guys the head unit now. All right, there's the head unit. Again, they look like every mini split. They all kind of look the same. All I had to do here was drill a 2.5 inch hole roughly right there out the wall, and that's where all your lines go through. Everything was very easy to connect in the back, and they gave you more than enough line to be able to get it out of the house. This right now is on the lowest fan speed. We are now on the highest turbo. It's not blinking like that in real life, it's just on the camera. But this also has Wi-Fi, so you get this really nice remote that does cooling, heating, drying, and then it also has Wi-Fi, so you can connect it via an app through your phone, and you can control it with your Ecobee or your Google Home. And because my house, I wasn't able to fit a normal AC to the furnace, I'm able to use the smarts capabilities of this to still run it off my Ecobee. If it needs cooling, this will run. If my house needs heating, the furnace will run. So it kind of gives you that central air vibe, right? Just ductless. But here's how loud it is on the inside. And overall, it is probably a quarter of the overall noise compared to the good old window AC. It is an inverter style compared to a compressor style, so it does have that variable speed, which is really nice because you do save some money, and it doesn't go nearly as loud when you don't need it. But so far, this 12,000 BTU unit is, my whole entire main floor is around 900 square feet, and this is 10 times better than what we had before. So it's been awesome. But again, guys, this is just a visual on this unit. Like I said, this is the absolute cheapest Amazon mini split I could buy. And I really thought, give this a try. If it works a year, 2, 3, 4, it's cheaper than a window AC. It's cheaper than one of those standalone units. And the main part is getting the hole through the wall and disconnecting all the wiring. So if this system doesn't work in the next couple of years, well, at least I have everything ready to replace it with something that, say, is more reliable, right? But anyways, this was just more of a visual, kind of helped me out, allows me to save my train of thought for down the road. We'll head back out and we'll finish the video off outside. All right, as you can hear, pretty quiet out here when it's on turbo on the inside as well. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the purchase. I'll put all the links in the description. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have also used this Garvee, let me know. But I'm super happy with it. If you guys are looking for budget friendly, she works great. She works great. Anyways, fam, peace, love, and cheers.